Some people love coffee, and some people hate it. So a chain of coffee shops just needs to create an ad that says coffee, and they'll get a queue of coffee lovers around the block, right? Not quite. Some customers want decaf, some want a creamy iced coffee, some want to pay by card while others prefer to use an app, and some just come for the donuts. Since customers have individual needs and preferences, it can be challenging for companies to relate to them. Personas are semi-fictional characters created by marketing teams to represent types of customers, but they aren't just made up. They're based on research into the behaviors and preferences of real people to ensure they aren't inaccurate stereotypes. The idea that there are set customer types that apply to all organizations is outdated. These days, it's all about seeing customers as individuals. So, the details of the personas that relate to the organization you work for will be specific to their target audiences. Let's find out how personas help organizations understand and relate to customers, and how they can help you and your teams do the same.